Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me here. I'm Mike. In case you're new, I don't cover just IPOs, okay? So you want to subscribe, all right? Just do it. Do it. Hit the subscribe button. It's not just about IPOs. Let me know how your weekend is going. It is Saturday today at the time of me recording this YouTube video. My son, we got him a drone, a small one, and he wanted to fly it, and I told him, look, you know what, let me take over. Let me handle this for the first time. Let me show you. And Dad ended up screwing up big time. I gotta admit, you don't fly these things without reading directions on how to use them. I ended up making it go up, and then I don't know what happened. It just kept traveling far away, up high to the mountain, and it wouldn't come back. I don't know. I was pressing all kinds of, I don't know, whatever. I screwed up and it just went and crashed. Okay, enough with that. So this YouTube video is about a company that has nearly done a 90, let's say, % gain so far. Don't tell me I didn't warn you, because I did. I have done a YouTube video about them in the past. And if you were in the Discord, you would have known about it even much earlier. This company still has, in my personal opinion, another 500% gain to do. Maybe if you're new to watching my YouTube video and this is the first video you're watching, you're probably going to be like, okay, another YouTuber promising 500% gain. What a loser. Okay, no one's a loser. Nobody. But there are companies that grow, right? They're not done growing. Just because the stock went up 90% doesn't mean it's over. Like, could you have said that for Microsoft, Apple, Google, Palantir, right? Some companies have the product offering, the innovation, and I guess you can say being at the right place at the right time. But before I get to that, first of all, I want to show you guys amazing results, super amazing results. And I'm proud of it because this is something that I've been working with some people and we've built this thing and it's turning out awesome. And that is our Stock Wizard AI over on our Discord, which is not financial advice. This YouTube video is not financial advice. And if you are ever planning on signing up to my Discord/Patreon to use our Stock Wizard AI tool, it is not financial advice. You still have to do your own due diligence. Here's some examples. Our Tech Nerd AI bot. It told us that ARBK is a buy at 34 cents, which was at the time, that was what it was trading at the time. And it gave us an 85 out of 100. It is now at 41 cents, nearly 42 cents. I think it also hit 44 cents yesterday. Our Bull Screener AI bot for back on August 29, 2025 told us when Hive was $2.94 that it is a strong buy. Today it's at 446. We also had a 100 out of 100 recommendation strong buy for ticker symbol SHOT, shot, when it was trading 28 cents. Today it is at 40 cents. We had a recommendation of buy on September 30th, 2025 for DFLI at 62 cents. I also did a YouTube video for DFLI when it was 69 cents. Yesterday, DFLI reached $1.93. Ticker symbol ANRO when it was $4.41. Stock Wizard AI says it's a buy. It went to $7.25 yesterday. How about ticker symbol TSHA when it was $3.18? It's now at $4.76. How about EONR when it was at 36 cents? It's now 55 cents. And if you're not into technical analysis, AI bots, and whatever they think, and you're interested in more of a long-term, plenty of that over on our Discord/Patreon, because I am also a huge fan of long-term investment. That makes up pretty much the majority of my investments anyways. Here's something that I had told my members back on October 1st, 2025. Ticker symbol INDA, an exchange traded fund focused on the Indian economy. It was trading at $48.93. I pretty much explained more. I mean, this is just, I cut off the rest. But anyways, right now it is at $52.45. If you want to join us over on Patreon/Discord, the link is at the bottom of your screen. It will be in the comment section below, and it's always in the description of my YouTube videos. Please note that, and I'm not saying this to get anyone to rush. You don't have to rush. You don't even have to sign up at all. You could just follow this channel, and that's perfect. And following this channel is free. You hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. All right, so that's that. But if you do want to sign up on our Discord/Patreon, it will be seriously limited in the amount of people from here on going in due to the insane amount of new members we're getting. The total number has grown by a lot. And let's just say that in order to get AI to work and to provide us with a plethora, with a huge amount of financial AI bots, we have 35 of them, and the information that comes with it, it costs a lot of money. And that's not really the biggest problem. It is the network issue that is getting out of control. But for now, it is fine. It can handle the amount of people that we have. So I will be limiting the amount of people that are coming in. So let's talk about that $6 stock that has plenty of room to grow. On August 5th, 2025, as you can see right here, over on my Discord, I had posted live at that time to let everybody know that I am buying LUMN at what was currently at that time $3.72. A little while after, I also made a YouTube video for everybody at $4.42, calling the stock one of the best stocks to invest in for the long term, but obviously it's not financial advice. Those are opinions, personally speaking, for me. Today, Lumen is trading at $6.57. Is AI the future going forward? Or will AI be just a hype that will fade and will go away and the world will move on and we'll look back 30 years from now and say, wow, I can't believe people were excited on this stupid AI thing. No, AI is going to be, for the good or bad, the future permanently in everybody's life going forward. And it's only going to intensify more. But AI needs a lot of things. In order for AI to grow, intensify, become more powerful than what it is now, which sounds scary. Technology could be really good for people. It's people that make technology bad because of the way we use it. But I'm not going to get into that that talk right now. Anyways, in order for AI to grow and become what it wants to become and offer what its potentials are, which are unlimited, it needs data centers, it needs fiber optic networks, it needs energy, it needs security, it needs a lot of things, right? When it comes to data centers, we need this company, we need Lumen. Lumen is the company that's going to connect all the data centers and bring the AI all over the place. It has the largest fiber network, underground fiber network in the United States. They're also involved in security and a bunch of other things. On September 23, 2025, they had a conference where they highlighted the AI era transformation and path to growth at Analyst Forum. Now, that Analyst Forum is super critical. If you're interested in even thinking about investing in Lumen, you're going to want to watch it. It's online, and I'll show you in a little bit where. Very super powerful. But some of the things they highlighted in that Analyst Forum was building the backbone for AI economy. So they have a physical network, like I said, designed for scale, speed, and security. They have the largest physical network, I repeat, delivering connectivity anywhere and for everything customers want. Also cloudifying and agentifying telecom to reduce complexity and creating connected ecosystem.
Hey everyone, I'm Dave Ward. I'm the Chief Technology and Product Officer, and I'm here with my colleague and friend, Nat, who's our Chief Security Officer. Cybersecurity Awareness Month is also critical for our customers as well. What are some of the things we're doing and some of the products we have that our customers should be using?
Our Blacklist Lab is our threat intelligence platform that really looks at threat activity at scale and understand what's coming towards us or our customers, and we use that to help defend proactively against it.
And that's really for malware and malware type attacks. But we also have distributed service products out there and traditional security products, firewalls, SIMs, XDRs. I mean, whole gamut and solution and suite. What becomes really interesting also is that the Black Lotus Labs team also has a research analyst for higher arm where enterprises can work with us to ask specific questions about their security vulnerabilities or even attacks.
As we saw, Lumen had on September 23 an analyst forum where they talked about the growth ahead, the transformation of the company. And I highly suggest that you watch all the YouTube videos to find out more about them, which are here over on Lumen's YouTube channel. And these 8 YouTube videos, I highly suggest that people watch them if you're interested to invest in Lumen. So we know that Lumen has situated themselves in the AI era. And what a better time. Like I said, in the right time, the right place. They are growing very fast. Recently, they did have a partnership with Palantir, so that's nothing, you know, small to look at. I'm not going to analyze too much about Lumen since I've already done a YouTube video about them, and you can watch that previous YouTube video. But when I look at Lumen, the product offerings, the physical network that they have, the critical and strategic role that they will play, that they are going to be the backbone of AI. And then when I look at the stock, which honestly, in my personal opinion, maybe you don't agree, but when I'm looking at the stock, I'm looking at just the stock itself as a stock compared to what the company is and where they're going. It's highly undervalued, rock bottom prices. And that, to me, tells me, and because, you know, smart money is not stupid, that the stock can only grow. And when I first figured that out when it was at 372, today it's at 657, it's proving me, at least for the time being, that I was right. And I still give, personally speaking, right, I'm not saying this is for you, but I still rate Lumen at current price a buy. In fact, I give it a strong buy. But it's just my opinion, and I'm not an analyst. Keep in mind that Lumen has earnings on November 4th, 2025, at which, personally speaking, for me, it's post-market, by the way, in the after hours, I am bullish. But that's just me because I'm invested in the company. When I check with my stock wizard AI over on my Discord, using the oscillator command, our oscillator AI, bull market watch oscillator, ticker symbol LUMN, it gives me all this information here. I'm not going to go through it all. Let's just look at this. Recommendation, strong buy. And it's giving me the chart, the current, so Lumen is right up here. The signal line for us when we use the oscillator command is that whenever the stock goes, that's how it's programmed, that if the stock goes under the signal line, it's bearish. We have also the dynamic risk assessment AI, and when I ran that on Lumen, it's fine. I mean, the risk level is low. So as you can see here, it gives me a low level of risk, 38.8 out of 100. There's more information obviously here, the negatives and the positives. More information here. I'm not going to go through it all because it's going to take forever. Just a couple of days ago, we also had this news that Lumen accelerates multi-billion-dollar network expansion to meet soaring AI demand. So the company on Monday announced a multi-billion-dollar build with plans to add 34 million new intercity fiber miles by the end of 2028 for a total 47 million intercity fiber miles. Construction efforts are underway, and so on. And with that being said, I'm going to stop the video here because, you know, dragging the video too long is boring. And if you want to join our Discord/Patreon to use our stock wizard, which has tons of AI bots, we have about 34. Each one has their own little work to do. One is for technical analysis, the other is for short term, the other is for long term, the other is for risk assessment, and blah, blah, blah. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. I wish you guys all the best, and take care.